Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So this first one looks like it is going to be of a bob haircut. Gorgeous. The stylist did a classic bob. Love how this looks paired with the red lip. She looks amazing. And then we see someone with a gray pixie. The stylist is coloring the hair and bam, she ended up going platinum. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hair ideas within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Looks like the stylist is doing layers for the next one. Gorgeous. Her hair looks so beautiful and volumized. So it looks like we have a pixie haircut for this one. Beautiful dark copper tone with light ginger mixed in. Really pretty color. I would say that this is either a pixie or a longer pixie. Wow, beautiful bob haircut transformation with bangs added in the front. Actually looks like the stylist might be doing more of like a layered bob or a wolf cut with this one. Wow, very chic. I love it. So I hope you guys were able to find some inspiration within today's video. And if you want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.